Without a doubt, Google has functions and tools that effectively facilitate the personal and working life of the people who take advantage of it. However, not everyone knows the functions that, if they knew them, they would use them frequently because of their great usefulness. These are the 5 functions that Google created to use with your cell phone camera. With the Google application installed, go to the button and click on Snapshot, and then on the icon to the left of the microphone icon. There you can, in the translate function, as its name indicates, it allows you to translate from phrases or short texts instantly by taking a quick photo to the act. In the next function text, you can photograph a long text and pass it to a document or copy it to a computer where you have opened the Gmail account. This in a few seconds. You can even do dictation of the text, a good function for people who are blind. In this same function you can translate long texts. Another function allows you to scan a product in order to find it online stores that are offering a specific product. In the option of places, you can take pictures of a place and look for it. This way the assistant will look for the location of that place or similar places that correspond to the building or house where the picture was taken. And finally, in the part of dinner, you can take a picture of a food and find out instantly information about it, such as ingredients, nutritional table, and other non-relevant information. Remember to keep updated on the latest features that mobile applications can offer you. Surely you can find some that will help you make your day-to-day more productive.